Last night I overheard a conversation. A fly was talking to a spider. "Picture the entire human race as a rug," said the fly. "Every thread is coloured and tied into a pattern. These patterns join together and make bigger patterns, and then bigger patterns, and so on and so forth." The spider crawled closer, and the fly continued. Okay, look. As ideas pass through the rug, the colours and the patterns change. Over time, ideas that were once in the past roll through the present and into the future before becoming the past again." Still the spider crawled closer. "Don't you see that we're both threads in this beautiful rug?" "I know," said the spider.